Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning post collage in WordPress using our plugin, Query Collage. This plugin integrates seamlessly with the default block editor, allowing you to create beautiful post grids or even convert your existing post grids into eye-catching collage grids. You can find the link to download the Query Collage plugin in the video description below. And if you're looking for more amazing block plugins to enhance your WordPress site, be sure to visit shop.gutenberghub.com. There, you'll find a wide range of plugins that can take your site to the next level. All right, let's get started. Once you have installed and activated the Query Collage plugin, navigate to the page or post where you want to create your post collage. In the block editor, you'll see a new block called Query Collage. Click on it to add it to your page. Next, you'll need to select a layout for your collage. Choose the layout that best fits your design vision. After selecting your layout, go to the Style options and select Overlay. Here, you can decrease the opacity to create a subtle overlay effect. Now, let's move on to customizing the content. Select the title within the collage block and adjust its size to make it smaller. This will help keep your collage neat and visually appealing. Then, add a date block. Make any necessary adjustments to match your design. To further enhance your collage, select both the title and date blocks and group them together. With the group selected, you can add a background color and some padding to make your text stand out against the images. If you select the main Query Collage block, you'll see various layout options that you can experiment with to find the perfect look for your collage. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, simply click on Publish to make your new post collage live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully created a beautiful post collage in WordPress site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.